Welcome to the world and universe, where we embark on an extraordinary journey to unravel the mysteries of our cosmos. Our journey starts close to home, exploring the wonders of our solar system. Each planet and moon tells a unique story of formation and evolution. Far beyond our solar system, in the depths of nebulae like the Orion Nebula, new stars emerge, illuminating the darkness of space and shaping the future of galaxies. Venturing into the realm of exoplanets, we discover worlds beyond our own, each holding secrets that could redefine our understanding of habitable environments and the potential for life in the universe. Galaxies, the building blocks of the universe, dance across cosmic time and space. Through collisions and mergers, they shape the evolution of the cosmos, creating new stars, planets, and even black holes. As we gaze deeper into the cosmos, humanity's curiosity knows no bounds. Through technological advancements and scientific exploration, we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge, seeking answers to age-old questions about our place in the universe. Join us on this cosmic journey, where every discovery unveils the beauty and complexity of the universe we call home. Together, let's explore the wonders of the world and universe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest cosmic adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.